The 3D Catalog Builder from vPersonalize is an advanced automation software for apparel brands to create products virtually, generate hundreds of designs automatically, and share those designs in real 3D to collaborate with customers. With such power to streamline product development, your team can easily publish products with just a few clicks. Publish 2D renders or a live 3D view of your product. Out of the box, connect to Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, NetSuite, or other retail, wholesale, and mobile commerce platforms. Let your sales team effortlessly create customer-specific catalogs with the single click of a button. Let your customers view, collaborate, or make design changes using our powerful 3D configurator. Let your factory download print-ready files ready for production. Eliminate days of manual work and get so much more done. We can help your brand bring designs to market significantly faster, expand product lines virtually, and make those products on demand.